In this guide video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you connect a PlayStation 5 to Samsung Smart TV. To connect PlayStation 5 to Samsung Smart TV, for the first time you'll need a HDMI cable and a PS5 console and your Samsung TV. Now here's what you need to do is take the HDMI cable included with the PS5, then plug one end into the HDMI out port on the back of the PS5 console. Then you want to plug the other end into the HDMI in port on your Samsung TV. For best gaming experiences, use the HDMI port labeled game or one of the supported 4K or 120SZ. So as you've done it, what next you want to do is plug the power cable into the power port on the back of the PS5, then plug the other end of the power cable into the power outlet. Press the power button on the PS5 console. You could use Samsung remote to turn on your smart TV. And if your TV automatically detects the PS5, it should display the PS5 image on the screen. If not, use the Samsung remote to go to the source or input menu and select the HDMI port where you're connected to the PS5. The PS5 will guide you through the initial steps, including language, internet connections, and account creation as well. You could connect the DualSense controller to a PS5 using a USB cable C as well. Press the PS button on the controller to pair it with PS5, and this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.